Hey there, how's it going? Taylor with Aspire Contracting. I'm here at Mary Ward's residence at 121 Navajo Drive, Winslow, Arizona. We're here to do a repairability test just to see if this is something that we can repair. Like the estimate was outlined, I went ahead and removed all the fasteners, and now we've got the shingle nice and loose. Pull the damaged shingle. Gonna slap this beautiful new dimensional shingle in here. I know it's not a 3-tab. Unfortunately, the 3 tabs are no longer available. I am not able to find or locate this shingle, so I think it gets the point across. So I'm going to try to nail these in as little manipulation as possible. Yep, biffed that one. Trying to cause little manipulation here. Sometimes it can be hard when doing roofing, you know. Gotta go 2 horses up on this shingle. Due to the tie-in here. All right, now I'm going to simulate wind and rain. As you can see, I've very little manipulation. I've accidentally caused damage to the surrounding shingles. It's unfortunate.